episode of SCOTUS Live. Today marks a momentous occasion as the Baker v. Court case has finally been decided. The court split 6-2 in ruling that redistricting issues present justiciable questions, thus enabling federal courts to intervene in and to decide redistricting cases. This set the precedent of one person, one vote.
The political question doctrine now identifies 6 factors that help in determining which questions are political in nature. Let's take a look at a video of Mr. Baker and Mr. Carr breaking down the story of what prompted Baker to take this case to the courts.
Hello, my name is Charles Baker and I am the plaintiff of this case. I am the Republican mayor of Millington, Tennessee.
Hi, my name is Joe Carr and I am the defendant of this case. I am currently Tennessee's Secretary of State.
I brought this case to court because I believe that part of the Tennessee state constitution was violated. This part requires legislative districts to be redrawn every 10 years as the federal census changes. However, Tennessee has not been redistricted since 1901. This means that huge population shifts are not accounted for by the districts. In particular, the votes of rural citizens are overrepresented compared to those of urban citizens. This violates the equal protection of the laws required by the 14th Amendment.
Even though the state legislators set the district's lines and not me, Baker sued me because I am in charge of the conduct of elections in the state and for the publication of district maps.
The state of Tennessee argued that the composition of legislative districts was essentially a political question, not a judicial one. However, the precedent that Baker v. Carr set enabled federal courts to decide redistricting cases, making it a judicial question and not a political one.
The case had to be put over for re-argument because in conference, no clear majority emerged from either side of the case. There were 3 concurring opinions and 2 dissenting opinions.
Welcome to today's episode of SCOTUS Live. We just received exciting information about the Griswold v. Connecticut case.
The Constitution originally didn't include an explicit right to privacy. However, various guarantees given to the citizens by the 1st, 3rd, 4th, and 9th Amendments in the Bill of Rights establish a right to privacy. A Connecticut law was declared null and void by a vote of 7-2 in the recent case Griswold v. Connecticut because it violated the right to marital privacy.
Here's a clip from another one of our infamous interviews with people involved in court cases, this time featuring Estelle Griswold. Hello, everybody. I'm the Executive Director of the Planned Parenthood League of Connecticut. My job is to give information and medical instruction to married couples about options of birth control. My work was unfortunately challenged when my colleague and I were convicted under a Connecticut Comstock law. This stupid law prohibited any person from using any drug, medicinal article, or instrument for the purpose of preventing conception. This criminalized the provision of medical treatment like counseling to married persons with the intent of preventing conception. This case views the right to privacy as a right to protection from government intrusion. This case established a precedent for the right to privacy and took an important step towards cases like Roe v. Wade.
Several other cases had tried to challenge the Connecticut Comstock law before but had failed. These cases include Tilson v. Ullman, in which a mother and doctor argued that banning contraceptives could threaten the well-being of parents, and Poe v. Ullman, in which the case was dismissed because it was not right, so there was no controversy for the court to solve.
Thank you for watching SCOTUS Live. Catch us next Tuesday.